The Philippines, the Philippines. Nitro, it's better down where it's wetter, better than Maldives. In Australia they work all day, in America they slave away, while we're devoting full time to floating in the Philippines.
Hi! Hello po! You say hello?
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Joman Duan the Vlog, starring from Bibo!
Ere, and that baby!
We're going back to the Philippines! Pero may petsa na tayo.
Mami sleepy daw.
May petsa na tayo, di ba, baby Nitro?
Hindi ko alam.
You say, what month you say? August.
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 Yeah, we're going back in August. You're going to see Nanay. You say-
Nanay.
And Lola.
Yeah.
You say Astig.
Taki.
Nitro, what's this? What's this?
Sugi.
So, Nitro doesn't know what the Philippines is. He can't remember kung ano ang buhay niya sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Kasi 7 months old pa lang siya nung umalis kami sa Pilipinas. So you're gonna go there, you're gonna get a big shock because it's a different world over there.
Jack.
Yeah, it's a big shock.
Tupigo.
Yes, iba ang mundo dun. Di ba? Yan, naglaro na si Nitro. Where you go, Nitro?
Maglilinis daw siya sa kalat mo.
Oh, you're gonna linis sa bahay? You will linis?
Mommy sleepy.
Mommy's sleeping. Nitro's watching one of our vlogs. Yeah. Mommy looks sleepy, does she?
Mommy looks like a panda.
Mama, 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 mama. Ayan guys, so yan ang plano namin. Ngayon August, we are going back to the Philippines. Ganito yung gagawin namin. We're going to move in sa bahay ng nanay ni Shanta. We're going to Leyte. That's where we're moving to, Leyte. Shanta's original province. We're gonna live there with Nitro, and Nitro will get to meet Shanta's family. Ganun. It's gonna be lots of fun. Hey baby boy. Yeah, Leyte, province life.
Kasi, di ba yung asa hindi nag-follow sa amin dati, yung reason kasi na pumunta kami dito sa Australia kasi na-trap kami sa Manila. Oh, kaya nag-decide si Dwayne na pumunta lang kami dito sa Australia. Circle? Yung original plan talaga, dati pa namin sinasabi before COVID, sa Leyte talaga kami magsisettle down, di ba?
Yes. Yes, Leyte talaga. So yeah, we won't be in Manila, we'll be in Leyte this time. And never pumunta sa Leyte si Nitro.
Never pa. Never pa
First
siya
time
nakalabas ng Manila exact dito sa Australia.
Yeah, you know.
Kasi, di ba, trap tayo dun ng COVID.
Yes, he was a COVID baby. So that's where we're going, Dontra fam. This is a short video just to let you guys know we are coming back to the Philippines.
So, before tayo umuwi doon, dapat araw-araw kang mag-vlog yung ginagawa natin dito kasi babalik na tayo doon.
Yes, di ba?
So, abangan niyo po yun. Pilitin ko po siya mag-vlog every day. At least, di ba, may mapapanood si Naira before kami umuwi ng Pilipinas. Ganito yung mga ginawa namin, ganyan.
Well, sabagay, your channel has lots of videos with Nitro.
Sa channel ko,
Guys, isang paalala sa inyong lahat. Si Nitro, may YouTube channel siya. I-subscribe niyo siya, mga kabibe.
mga kabibe, uy!
Mga kabibe. There you go, follow his name.
Baby.
Yeah, mga
You say,
kabibe.
Kabibe. Bibe.
Baby.
Mga kabibe niya.
Kabibe.
Yeah, subscribe nyo na yan. Nitro Kids ang tawag. I'll put the link in the description below. Nitro Kids! Yay! Alright guys, yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. And remember to check out PhilTalk. PhilTalk.net, the social network of
Sign
the
up to
Philippines.
PhilTalk today.
You say
Today.
Yeah!
Sign up to PhilTalk today.
Today.
Yeah! philtalk.net. Link is also in the description. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kita sa mga video natin. Diba?
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!